Well, I forgot to record everything in the pits, but yeah, look what I got. It's a cup holder.
It's actually a combating head gasket for KA stock 4.
The style judge looks at all the areas in between the clips and the zones to see how well the drivers set themselves up.
Kelsey Rawlings. Massive angle there, but she has to take some out of it. A correction there from Kelsey Rawlings out front. And Adriano, look at the outside zone. And Adriano throws it in. Whoa, Kelsey Rawlings, you see her get to the side of an F-13. Adriano. Clarification on a ruling. And Federico, you can see frozen out there. There's also angle being taken out, but now seems to have found the sweet spot. Takes out that second to go. Taken out early, and leader about the halfway point. All right, crew, get to work.
And I forgot to mention, Garrett also has a YouTube. And I'm gonna probably, I'm gonna drop his link in the description, and I'm gonna put his Instagram in the description. You should go follow and subscribe. He only has one video up now, but he's probably gonna do a lot more. I'm gonna probably be in it, so yeah, if I were you, I'll go watch that. Again,
I'm not taking anybody's content. I'm here with you, and I'm gonna film
that lead car. We've also instituted the chicane many moons ago.
this man's taking my content.
First, like Kendrick Meyer chooses to leave at the same time, but Dylan Hughes quickly rates an angle, gets out there, sends it out. Kendrick Meyer looks like he gained some ground actually. Nice job there by Dylan Hughes. Oh, and a wide swing, but actually working his way out to the outside zone. Kendrick Meyer lifting up. That takes position. Kendrick Meyer through the outer zone. Does not get all the way out there. Kendrick Meyer bringing the correction in that chase position.
Wow.
K-Law, Kevin Lawrence. Kevin Lawrence initiating at that RV power plant under the hood. He was doing double duty of Pro 2 and Pro earlier this year and said, you know what, just park it, focus in on Pro. Now. A little early this time to chase. Some sparks being thrown there by Sexsmith and Ambiano, Toyota 86. Second or third half sparks. And Ulan Yeager. And the beating getting away.
That's all Riley. That's all Sexsmith.
Shout out to my boy Garrett. That's like his favorite truck. So yeah, I thought that I would get this on video because that's probably like one of my favorite trucks too. But frick yeah. Bub, Cummins gang or no? Cummins gang or no? Matt, what gang you repping?
Gasoline.
Huh?
Gasoline.
Oh, that's gay.
I'll probably get a Duramax. LS, yeah. I own an LS. I've owned every motor for a 240 other than a
K.
CA.
Wait.
I've owned a KA.
You've owned a K? What?
Yeah, the second one.
Really?
I've owned 1J, RB25, RB25. I'm on RB25, KA, SR, and 1J.
Well, you've owned RB?
Yeah.
What?
I didn't run 2 LS's. Now, the truck LS, the new truck LS. What else? That's it. Only thing I'm missing is a CA18. That's very not common. So
Yeah, true.
I own every motor for a typical 240 slot.
True. I didn't even know that. So yeah, some facts thrown for y'all. Respect the boy. He knows everything, bro. The inside scoop.
As Goki initiates, Brody Goebel really needs to step it up here. Maybe he's saving it. He's coming to finish. And Goebel, there he goes.
Please don't rain.
Are needed to take call 137.
Just now? You just ordered that?
Alright, so I'm sorry that I didn't make an outro, so I'm making an outro now. Thank you for watching. Like,
This is the
comment.
final boarding call for American Airlines Flight 240.
They can't hear
Yes, they can.
C39, last and final boarding call, Flight 2401. The service to
Oh,
Tampa,
use the mic.
through gate
Use the
Sierra
headphones.
Charlie 39. All take from
Put it-
passengers
put
should be
it.
on board at this time.
That's my camera.
I thought you had this.
Click the notification thingy. Click the notification bell so you can get all my posts. I'm gonna be posting a lot more often, so I'll stay updated. Follow me on Instagram. Yeah.